Have you ever wondered what the difference is between drizzle and downpour? Or why we say foggy instead of misty? In this video, not only will you learn essential weather words, but you'll also remember them forever through fun and simple examples. Stay till the end because I have an exciting challenge for you. Sunny. Sunny means the sun is shining. It is sunny outside. Rainy. Rainy means it's raining. I need an umbrella because it's rainy. Cloudy. Cloudy means there are clouds in the sky. It is cloudy today. Windy. Windy means there's a lot of wind. It is windy today. Snowy. Snowy means it is snowing. Snowy nights are magical. Attention, it's quiz time. Let's test your weather knowledge. Get ready. Here comes your first challenge. What is the weather when it rains? Is it sunny, rainy, snowy? Write your answer in the comments. Foggy. Foggy means there's a lot of fog. It is foggy this morning. Hail. Hail means small balls of ice fall from the sky. Hail can cause damage. Thunder. Thunder is the loud sound during a storm. I heard thunder last night. Storm. Storm means very bad weather with strong winds and heavy rain. The storm knocked down the trees. Drizzle. Drizzle means very light rain. It's just a drizzle, not heavy rain. Challenge time. Let's level up. Ready for the next quiz? What do we call very light rain? Is it thunder, hail, drizzle? Share your answer below. Rainbow. A rainbow appears after the rain. Look, there's a rainbow in the sky. Heatwave. A heatwave means very hot weather for days. The heatwave is breaking records. Blizzard. A blizzard is a very strong snowstorm. The blizzard covered everything in snow. Breezy. Breezy means light wind is blowing. It's a breezy evening. Downpour. Downpour means heavy rain. The downpour started suddenly. Final round, time to shine. Your final challenge is here. Let's see how well you remember what you've learned. What is the weather when small balls of ice fall from the sky? Is it hail, snow, blizzard? Let us know your answer in the comments. Amazing job! Today we explored words like sunny, rainy, foggy, and even advanced terms like heatwave and blizzard. Now it's your turn. Practice these words in sentences and share your favorite one in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe to learn English easily, and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.